Looking to earn some extra income from home with zero inventory, zero shipping, and all profit? You're in the right place. Welcome back to Prompt Flow 2, the place where we use AI to build real income streams from home. Today, we're diving into a step-by-step tutorial on how to use Canva's AI tools to design digital products and sell them on Etsy. In this video, we will do the following. Create a product using Canva AI, list it on Etsy with optimized descriptions, share real success stories from people doing this full-time. Let's start from scratch. The easiest entry point? A simple digital planner. People love planners for fitness, goals, weddings, and even for tracking houseplants. No, really, houseplant planners exist. Head over to canva.com. Log in or create an account, it's free. Go to Docs. Then click Magic Write. Type outline for a 30-day fitness planner. Boom. Canva AI will generate a structure you can follow. Now go to Canva's templates. Search for digital planner. Pick a clean one. You can customize fonts, colors, and layout. Use drag and drop to add daily, weekly, or monthly pages based on the outline Magic Write gave you. Add a few aesthetic touches. Think pastel colors, motivational quotes. People love that stuff. Not feeling planners? Try Instagram templates instead. Use Magic Write to generate 10 content ideas for your niche. Then create Canva posts with matching designs. Once your planner or template is done, click Share, then click Download as PDF. Make sure it's high quality. This will be your product file. Go to Etsy.com and sign up. Choose a shop name, don't overthink it. Upload your PDF as a digital product. Use keywords in your title like fitness planner printable or social media content pack. Use ChatGPT to write your Etsy listing description. Prompt: write an Etsy listing for a 30-day fitness planner that's aesthetic and beginner-friendly. It'll give you a solid paragraph you can tweak and use directly. Price your product between $3 and $10. Set the product as digital download. When someone buys it, Etsy automatically delivers the file for you. You do nothing. Nada. Zero effort after the upload. Don't believe it works? Check out Sarah on Gumroad. She made over $20,000 selling simple digital templates using Canva and Etsy. She started with one product, then grew from there. That's it. You've gone from, "I have no idea what I'm doing," to having a product live on Etsy. And hey, if it flops? You're only out a few hours of time, and now you've got the skills to try again, better. Subscribe to Prompt Flow 2 for more AI-powered side hustles like this. Drop a comment if you want a full walkthrough of Sarah's Etsy store breakdown next. And remember, you don't need to be a designer, a techie, or even that organized. You just need a few tools, some AI, and a bit of hustle. See you in the next one.